Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to trigger automated discounts in Tidio. So first thing you got to do is to head on to Tidio, then click on flow, create a new flow, and here you will be shown a bunch of triggers that you can choose. So depends on you which trigger you would like to use for your automated discounts. So whichever trigger you need, just click on it. Then triggers in Tidio are categorized into three main types, each serving a unique purpose. So whichever trigger you use, it's personal preference. So once you have the trigger, you can add and connect actions that should take place after the trigger has occurred. So you need to add an action after the trigger, so it will look like this. And then you're done. Thanks for watching.